Now that you know how to successfully use our question bank, let's go ahead and take a look at our video library. When you get to the video library, you're going to see the different categories pop up: foundations, client need areas, body system, nursing specialties, and any additional resources you might need, which is where you'll find the 3-day live review of recordings. Now, if you look under foundations, you can find all of the videos that fall under foundations from the study plan. Click on the module that you need, open it up, and you're going to see that the video starts. Just click down to see the different topics. Now, if there's a topic that you already feel really confident in, don't worry about that topic and move on to the next one. You can click here to get any handouts you might need, and on our cheat sheets for any cheat sheet that you might want to download. A lot of students will put these into a binder. Now, when you're going through the videos, it can be really easy to go through the videos very simply. The reason why you want to be active as you go through is you're going to get a lot more out of it. Let's say we're talking about heart failure in the video. I would go ahead and pause, say, here's the key things I learned about heart failure. This is what I would want to watch for as the nurse. Really go through those high yield key concepts out loud. Now, the other nice thing is if, let's say, you're really confident in a segment, you're like, hey, Rachel, I already know all about endotracheal tubes. Well, then go ahead, skip that segment of the video. Then you can just go ahead and click on that next segment and skip over what you already feel really confident. Now that we've finished up on how to best use the video library, we're going to talk about attending the different live lectures to improve your clinical judgment.